Hello friends, in this video we are adding Mopub Ads Unit on Android Studio project, and connect Facebook with Mopub. Open your project. Go to browser, and open Mopub account. Go to Apps, and create new app. Paste your application Play Store URL. And create banner ads unit. And paste it on Android Studio banner ads unit. And create new ad unit for interstitial ads. Copy ads unit and paste ad unit on Android Studio interstitial placement. Now, open your Facebook Monetization Manager, and go to Bidding Integration, and select Mopub Ad Network, and select your application. Copy Facebook banner ad unit and paste on Mopub Advanced Bidding. Go to Network, and select your app, and pass Banner Ads Unit ID. Now copy your Facebook interstitial ads unit ID, and paste on Mopub Advanced Bidding. Now bidding integration successfully. Test your app and publish on Play Store. Banner ads, and Facebook ads, show only after you publish your app on Play Store. Thanks for watching.